for Shizzle Manizzles. Jeg står utenfor Sentrum Scene og skal snakke med min homie Snoop Dogg i dag. Vi skal snakke om bitches and hoes, så følg med. Bitches. Hallo. Hei, hei. Skal dere inn på konserten, eller?
Ja, det skal du.
Jeg skal se den fra backstage.
Du skal det?
Ja, sammen med min venn Snoop.
Han er vennen din.
Har du noe røyk på, eller?
Nei, det er ikke ass.
Nerd, ass. Ingen kommer på Snoop-konsert uten stæsj. Jeg stikker backstage. Mr. Doggy Dog, how do I get to be a player like you?
Well, the first step is to always maintain a good look about yourself, like the way you dress real nice, so.
Who has fucked the most girls? You or Elvis Presley?
Did you hear what said? He said, who has fucked the most girls? You or Elvis Presley? Well, I'd have to say Elvis, my brother, because Elvis has been doing it a little bit longer than me, but hey.
Nobody beats the king, you know? So, which one of these would you rather fuck?
They look like some important ladies.
Yeah, they're really important.
You know what? And have both of them. And I'm in the middle.
If I want a girl to get really horny just by looking at her, how should I look at her? Show me. Like this?
Yeah. You exposing the weapon. You letting her see that holy rock.
Yeah. Norwegian girls are easy to get, but hard to get rid of in the morning.
Okay, they're easy to get, but they're hard to get rid of.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you dump them?
See, look at him. He go with his pimping. He ain't lying. You ain't lying. Tell Keys to come in here real quick. I'm gonna show you how you get rid of them in the morning. That's how you get rid of them in the morning.
Do you want to see a picture of my bitch?
Yeah, let me see. Let me see what you're working with. You got a cougar, huh?
I think she's a MILF.
That's the same thing. Whether I love to fuck.
I can fuck her all night long.
I know that's right. Keep putting young dick in her all night. Dick her down! And you know what my song say? When the pimp's in the crib, ma, suck it like